Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our topic of the day. Today I am going to derive a standard form of a circle equation. For this, let us suppose that we have a circle in which C of HP is the center of the given circle. P is any point on the circumference of circle, and R is the radius of the given circle. But we know that distance from O to C equal to h of k, and distance from O to P equal to x, y. So we know that by triangle law of addition, OC plus CP equal to OP. We know that OC plus CP mean that distance from OC plus CP is equal to OP. Shift this OC to the right hand side to get OP minus OC. So CP is equal to OP is equal to x comma y minus OC is equal to hk. So CP is equal to x minus h comma y minus k. Now apply the distance formula. Distance from CP is equal to x minus h square plus y minus k square into square root. Now taking square on both sides, CP is equal to x minus h square plus y minus k square into square root. So taking square on both sides, square root cancel. CP length square equal to x minus h square plus y minus k square. If we know that the distance from C to P is equal to R, so it means that R square is equal to x minus h square plus y minus k square is the required standard form of a circle. But if the circle is at the origin, it means that C of hk is equal to 0, 0. Then the given standard form of a circle will be reduced to r square equal to x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square, which is equal to r square equal to x square plus y square. So this is the circle equation. Thanks.